Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 7i, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. You need to begin by opening your device's keyboard. Following that, if microphone icon is not visible at the top right corner of it, click on this gear between clipboard and three dots. Now tap on voice typing and click on this gray switcher next to it in order to activate it. You can also manage those options however you want to by tapping on the switchers next to them. When you finish, go back to your keyboard, click on microphone icon, and if you never used this option before, select while using the app in the pop-up. Now start typing. When you are finished, click on the same icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!